Hello, everyone. This is Attorney Ifeanyi-USImmigration-TV. I am an immigration attorney. I am here in Massachusetts. I hope everyone can hear me. Today, I want to talk briefly about marriage-based interview. I know there are so many information about how to prepare for this interview, but there are a few tips that I need to put there for anyone who might be preparing for a marriage-based immigration interview before USCIS. Remember, the goal for this interview is for you to show the USCIS officer that you are in a genuine relationship. This relationship, you are in it for good. You are not there just for the purpose of obtaining a green card. You are not trying to bypass the US immigration law, get married to someone just to get a green card. The whole point of you going for that interview is to show USCIS that you are in this marriage for real. But some people confuse that goal with trying to portray a picture perfect relationship. You are not there to try to show that you are in a perfect relationship. What am I trying to say? Don't go there trying to show that there has never been a problem between you and your spouse. That is not the goal. That you have issues in the past or that you had issues before you came for that interview does not in any way vitiate the fact that you are in a genuine relationship. The reason this is so important is because sometimes people try to present a perfect relationship. Say, for instance, you had a breakup at some point, maybe you separated and you lived apart and maybe eventually came back together. And the documentation that you presented to USA, don't forget you must have submitted probably you have submitted some document before that interview. And the document is showing something different. It contradicts what you're saying. That might be a problem for you. What USCIS hates the most is people making misrepresentation. That is to say, people lying to them. And in an effort to show that you have a perfect relationship, you might misrepresent facts. There's nothing wrong in telling USCIS that at some point you had a fight and you separated and you lived apart. That is if that is the case. Because if that is really the case and you're not saying that, the documentation you are presenting might be saying that, might be showing them that. That is why it is so important. As long as you know you are in a genuine relationship, it is so important to be very truthful in these interviews. I've seen cases where you have a very good relationship, a very genuine relationship, and USCIS is sitting on their green card, and they are not, they are not denying you, they are not releasing your green card because you may have said something that to them is just too good to be true. Relationships are usually characterized by ups and downs. If you go to USCIS and there is need for you to explain certain gaps in your documentation, there's nothing wrong in doing that. It actually goes to show the genuineness of your relationship and not otherwise. So this fact is very important. Share this video to anyone who is planning to have a USCIS marriage-based interview. There's nothing that can prepare you for this. You just have to be truthful about the whole situation that you have been to, no matter how long you've been with this person. This is Ifeanyi-USImmigration-TV. I am an immigration attorney. I represent clients across the United States and across the world of matters bordering on the US immigration. If you have any question, you have a marriage-based interview to prepare, give us a call. This is my number is on the screen, and I will be here to answer your question and your call. Thank you and God bless.